Good morning, my dear children. Today, which exam you have? EVS exam, isn't it? EVS exam. You have two lessons are there. Let us revise. First lesson, uses of plants. And first we learned cereals. What are cereals? Wheat, rice, maize. All these are called cereal. cereals. Wheat, rice, maize, jar are called cereals. And with this we learned pulses. What are pulses? See, gram, green gram, Bengal gram, all these dal, etc. together called what? Pulses. ഉഴുന്ന്, പയറ്, പരിപ്പ്, കടല ഇതെല്ലാമാണെന്ത്? Pulses. Then next we learned about vegetables and see carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish. These all are roots. And see onions, potatoes and ginger. These are not roots, underground stems. What are they? Underground stems. And name some underground stems. Onion, potatoes, ginger. Okay. Name some roots that we use as vegetables. Carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish. Okay. Then next, leafy vegetables. We are using cabbage, spinach, chira, mint. All these are leaves. Leafy vegetables. So name two leafy vegetables: cabbage, spinach, or cabbage, mint. Okay. Then next we learned fruits and nuts. We know orange, apple, banana, all pomegranate, watermelon. All these are fruits. Nuts: cashew nut, walnut, groundnut. Okay. Almond. All these are nuts. Then next we learned spices. Chili. What is this? Clove, karayamba. And pepper, kurumulaga. All these are spices. Spices make our food tasty. And we add spices to our food to make it tasty. Then oil. Oils that we are using to cook our food are called edible oils. കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന oils. Which are they? Groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. All these are edible oils. Okay. Then next we learned tea, coffee, sugar and cocoa. We get tea powder from tea leaves, coffee from coffee seeds, and this is what? Sugar cane. Sugar from sugar cane, and cocoa is used to make chocolates. Cocoa. From this we take the seed and we get the powder, cocoa powder. By using cocoa powder we are making chocolates. Then multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a dry fruit? Guava, almond, turnip. The answer is almond. And gram and black lentil are pulses. Then next we learn the fibers that we are getting from plants. Cotton. We can make cotton cloths, cotton fabric. And next, jute plant. We can make jute sack and all. This is a bag made of jute fiber. Jute fiber. This is a bag made of jute fiber. So we learned cotton and jute. Okay. These are the fibers. Fibers means thread like, നാര് പോലുള്ളത്. We are getting from plants. Name 2 fibers we get from plants. Jute, cotton. Okay. Then we get wood from plants. Wood from plants. We are using wood to make furniture, houses, etc. Then some medicines we are getting from plants. We get mulleti, the juice of tulsi, used medicine as for cough and cold. Okay. Mulleti also used for cough and cold. The leaves and seeds of datura are used to cure asthma and bronchitis. The leaves and seed of neem cure fever. Neem used for fever. Turmeric, manjal. Neem, ആര്യവേപ്പ്. Datura what in Malayalam we tell ummam. Datura. And next is mulleti and tulsi. Mulleti and tulsi using for cough and cold. Okay. Then these are some medicinal plants. Next we learned bamboo. We get paper from bamboo, and we get rubber from rubber tree, and we get gum from acacia tree. We make gum from acacia tree. And perfumes, jasmine, rose, lavender. From these flowers we can make perfumes. Okay, so all of you study this lesson well. Then let me ask some questions. I am eating a turnip. Which part of the plant am I eating? If you are eating turnip, you are eating root. If you are eating carrot, you are eating root. If you are eating beetroot, you are eating root. If you are eating onion, you are eating stem, underground stem. If you are eating cabbage, you are eating leaves. Okay. Then name 2 spices. You can write chili, clove, pepper, anything. Then name 2 fibers we get from plants. All of you name 2 fibers. Yes, jute, cotton. Then the part of the radish we eat is what? Root. I am asking this exercise. All of you take your exercise and listen. Next, sack and mats are made from jute. Next, Shalu enjoys fruits like guavas and mangoes. She always washes them well with fresh water before eating them. What do you learn from Shalu? Hygiene, vritti. Hygiene means vritti. And fill in the blanks. The juice of dash leaves is used to cure cold and cough. Juice of tulsi. Dash is an underground stem. Onion is an underground stem. We get paper from the bamboo plant. Oils used for cooking are called what? Edible oils. And we add dash to make our food tasty. We add spices. Then learn this. Answer the following from your notebook. Okay, all of you study well. Then next our lesson is lesson 2, food and homes of wild animals. Food and homes of wild animals. And see here you can see big wild animals like rhinos, lion, elephant, hippopotamus, and all. These are big wild animals, and wild animals live in forest. Then here you can see small wild animals, rat, rabbit, squirrel, etc. And see here, next we learned carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Lion, tiger, all these are carnivores. And herbivores, from the name itself we know they eat plant. Plant eaters are called herbivores. Cow, goat, sheep, zebra, all these are plant eating. Elephant, also plant eater, plant eating animals. These are called herbivores. And fish, see this: hyena, jackal, vulture, crow, bear. All these eat both flesh and vegetables. So plant food also they eat both. They are called omnivores. Next we learned homes of some animals. Okay, and see: birds nest, rabbit burrow, and snake hole, lion in a den. Learn the homes of animals. And see multiple choice questions given here. That is, where do wild animals live? Wild animals live in forests. The animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. So name two herbivores. You can write cat, you can write elephant, you can write zebra. Yes. Name two omnivores. You can write jackal, you can write bear, all these. Okay. Then some animals, I made mistake. This hyena, jackal and vulture eat leftover food and clean our surroundings. These are not omnivores. These are called scavengers. Another name is there. Okay. And omnivores are crow and bear. Then next, see other wild animals. These are zebras, home of zebras. Zebras resting under the tree, and deer resting under the tree. Then some animals are move in groups, live in groups or herds. Honeybee, beehives. Elephants in groups, lions in groups. Okay, then all of you learn this. Then we have to save wild animals, and we have to protect forest to protect wild animals. So we must stop cutting down trees. Okay, then learn the exercise also.